Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Job Update. In this video, we are going to learn ISRO Recruitment 2026 and there is a 244 Assistant JPA UDC and Steno jobs are there. So we'll go through the step by step. So here ISRO Recruitment 2026 notification is out. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has released the official recruitment notification for 244 vacancies under the ISRO Centralized Recruitment Board ICRB for the following posts. So there is a assistant, JPA, junior personal assistant, UDC, upper divisional clerk, and stenographer. Total post is 244. Organization is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Advertisement number is ISRO colon ICRB colon 01A-JPA colon 2026. Qualification graduation with minimum 60% marks. Post specific eligibility applies on the post. Age limit is up to 28 years and age relaxation as per the government rule. Application mode is online. Online application 27th of July 2026 to 16 August 2026. Official notification released by the ISRO ICRB. In this video, you will learn complete ISRO recruitment process and 2026 detail, vacancy distribution, eligibility criteria, educational qualification, age limit, selection process, salary, important dates, online application process and important instruction. This is the official link. Let me open this link and like, share and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official. So when we'll open this link, this is the page. Here you can see the advertisement number, and this advertisement date is July 27 2026 and last date is August 16 2026. Area of work is assistant, junior personal assistant, upper divisional clerk and stenographer. Location is Bangalore and status is open. So this is the advertisement. Let me open this, and this is a frequently asked question. So the online recruitment portal will open from 27/7/2026 to 16/8/2026. So in this PDF, you will get all the details. This is a 25 pages PDF and all the details you can find here. Main, we are going to concentrate with the zone by division for the assistant. There's a Ahmedabad, these many posts are there, and Bangalore, and some posts are in backlog. So you can go through that. Hassan, Hyderabad, Mahendagiri, New Delhi, Srilokota, so Trivandrum. So total vacancies are this much. So similarly, junior personal assistants are there. So here also the vacancies are divided. And finally, is this much post. Like that, there is a junior personal assistant. So there is a one. So there is a unreserved post are there. OBC is there, and SC scheduled caste, ST scheduled tribe, and EWS is the economy weaker section, and PWBD is the person with benchmark disabilities. And backlog vacancies are also added there, as I told you. So there is a this one educational qualification and experience is required. For that, you can go through this, and there is a qualification. The they know the computer, like that. All the things are divided there. So you have to go through the step by step process before filling this form. And university mentioned both CGP and percentage marks, so you have to go with calculation, and these are the completed. So the age limit is there 28 years age on the 16/8/2026, and 31 years for the OBC candidate and 33 years for the SC and ST candidate whether post are reserved. And serving government employee, ex-servicemen, personal disabilities, and other are there. So, and UR and EWS candidate born or on or after 7/8/98. So like that, OBC 17/8/95. STSC 93 and PWBD certificate. So there is a act, Disability Act 2016. So you have to go through the detail and all the step-by-step process you have to go. And main thing is that 16/8/2026 is the last date. And do you have any query? So you have to go with the email address. So this is the email address. You have to go with the this email address rmt-icrb at that is isro.gov.in. So this is the government website gov.in. So like that, other details are there. This is also important application fee. So post badge application fee defined is 500, and this on the assistant and upper divisional clerk JPA. So autonomous body. So there is a here defined and payment of the application, internet banking, you can use UPI, debit card, you can use that. Refund of this. So last one, and this is the size of the correct color photographs and photograph size, how much is there. So these are the all the detail and selection final process are there. So written test will be conducted at the 38 venue. There is all the venue are there. So these are the questions and how many questions will be there, how many times will be there. So all details you have to go because you are going to write this exam and eligibility test and literacy test and 60% marks of unreserved category. So like that, all the details you have to go by step, and you can visit the website. And these are the important dates: 27/7/2026 and 16/8/2026. This is the last date of the yeah. And frequently asked questions are there. You can go with these also. There you can find some of the solution if you have any question then. And after that, we'll go for the directly advertisement link. So this is the link, and here you can read the instruction, read the advertisement, frequently asked question, ready to register or login. You can click here to register. You can click here. Already registered, then you can go with the login page, and these are the dates, and they are given the helpline number. So do you have any query? Then you can go with the helpline number, and I have already shown you the email address. So just I am showing you the registration page. So let me open the registration page. So this is a registration page, exam name, and you can select this. Only one is there: advertisement number, candidate full name, other details, and get OTP. After OTP, you have to go through the step-by-step process to complete the registration, then apply. So this is the process where we have learned how to apply for the recruitment post of assistant, junior, personal assistant, upper divisional clerk, and stenographers. So all the details are there. Disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 copyrighted 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them to the comment box. And don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.